Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp to collect email addresses. Mailchimp offers several powerful tools to help you grow your audience. You can easily create various types of sign-up forms, including embedded forms for your website, dedicated landing pages, and attention-grabbing pop-up forms. These tools are designed to make the process of gathering contact information straightforward and efficient, ensuring you can connect with potential subscribers effectively. Let's dive into the specifics of setting up these forms. To create an embedded form, first navigate to the Audience section within your Mailchimp account and select Sign Up Forms. From there, choose the Embedded Forms option. Mailchimp will generate a snippet of HTML code for you. Simply copy this code and paste it directly into your website's HTML where you want the form to appear. You can also customize the fields, adding or removing options like first name or birthday to collect precisely the information you need. For a dedicated sign-up experience, you can create a landing page. Again, go to Sign Up Forms and this time select Landing Pages. You'll be able to choose from various templates and customize the design to align perfectly with your brand's aesthetic. Remember to include a compelling call to action and engaging visuals to encourage sign-ups. Once published, Mailchimp provides a unique URL that you can share widely across social media, email campaigns, and other marketing channels to drive traffic. Pop-up forms are excellent for capturing attention. You can configure them to appear after a visitor has spent a certain amount of time on your page or scrolled a specific percentage down. Mailchimp also integrates seamlessly with many popular platforms, such as WordPress and Shopify, making it easy to add forms to your existing sites. Don't forget the Mailchimp mobile app, which allows you to manage your audience and view form performance from anywhere. Regularly reviewing your form's effectiveness is key to optimizing your email collection strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.